After so many years, Bendel Insurance now returned back to the CAF competition, and today they play ASO ChIef of Algeria, and Bendel Insurance they put on their normal yellow jersey and the ASO ChIef with their red jersey. But for the warm-up, the ASO ChIef used their normal warm-up jersey when it be the blue and white. So many spectators everywhere. Look, the stadium, you will see it dey packed full, and so many dignitaries the stadium. And you see the supporter teams as they shout and as they gyrate, they wait for Bendel Insurance. Yes, and we go come back when the match don't finish, so that we go still talk how the match waka. My people, una well done.
Very shortly, the executive governor of the state, alongside the honorable speaker elected Assembly and the chief judge of the state, as well as the representative of the Nigerian Football Federation, Bendel Insurance, will join in the exchange of present honor for both teams. Association Sporting CAF of Algeria is going to be together right now. And now Bendel Insurance, led by the captain of our Spence. Introducing his players, the executive governor of the state, Mr. ASO ChIef from Algeria. One of the players for His Excellency, the executive governor of the state, Mr. Bendel Insurance. For Bendel Insurance. Thank you. Here at the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium. And let's keep the support coming for the Bendel Insurance. No place to come. No place to come. Let's keep supporting our talented Bendel Insurance. Thank you. For the winners is Saki's squad, number 7 shots, and in the number 24 shot, also the blue.
Say these Algerians, they not be small boys at all. We never see this kind. They watch match here now. All insurance matches were here, they watch them. We never see stadium full like this before. Oga himself, now he talks, everybody come. He was the chief mobilizer, the governor himself. Now he be the chief mobilizer for this match today. And you see him today, when we score, you see the way everything be. So make we continue to support our own. Government, our governor don't invest in this thing well. Government don't invest in this stadium. This stadium are one of the best in this country. So we're glad that we have this stadium, we have this team. And our first leg, now first half, now don't finish so. The second leg, now the second half. We'll go do any idea, we'll go win, we'll qualify. So congratulations, Insurance, congratulations to the governor, congratulations to the government of Edo State.
Je pense qu'effectivement, nous avons fait un bon match, malgré la défaite. Et donc, on reste optimiste pour le match retour.
I think no matter The results, I think we have a good game, and we are thinking about the return leg now. This is not our normal field that we normally play.
Donc la seule séance qu'on a faite, c'était celle d'hier sur le gazon.
And the only training we did yesterday, just once that we trained here yesterday.
On avait peur que la pluie dégrade la qualité du terrain, mais ça va.
The feed is perfect, so we are okay with the feed.
Okay, so second leg, you are positive that ASO ChIef will qualify for the next round.
Quand on est dans le football, il faut toujours être optimiste.
In football, you have to be very optimistic, so he's very optimistic.
Et on travaille toute la semaine pour ça, pour
And
essayer de faire un bon résultat.
we'll work out through the week and see what we can get out of the game.
Et ça sera pareil pour le match retour. Nous allons essayer de revenir
So it's the same, so we are
Et
just trying to come back to the
et
game.
de nous qualifier pour la prochaine.
And we have to qualify to the next stage.
Yeah, we are very, very excited. You understand? These are more like our first CAF match for how many years now? For more than 2017, a bit 29 years. Moreover, for the past 8 months plus, we have been out of the season. So coming back now, playing a very competitive game like this, and we came out victorious is something we are happy for. Although we wanted to have at least a long margin, like 2-3, but for now, the 3 points is okay. We'll tend to look ahead for the next game. Yeah, anything is possible. This is a game of football. It's 11-11. If possible, they can come here and get a win. But unfortunately, we got a win here. So that means in their home, everything is very, very possible. We can get a point, we can get a draw. But for now, they should not write us out yet. We'll still try our best when we get there. First of all, it's a collective effort for the team. It was recorded as Bendel Insurance, not just a lone goal. So I give kudos to my team. Because at the long run, it is Bendel Insurance that will be written there that have the 3 points, not just my name. So it's actually a collective effort from the team. And by the grace of God, we are still a work in progress. We made some mistakes today, which peradventure during the week we'll try and make some corrections and then see how the other games will go.
Exciting match for Bendel Insurance as they win the match finally 1-0, and Bendel Insurance don't get one goal ahead of the Algeria counterpart, and they scored the goal for 41 minutes by Imade, when he was their top scorer last season. And so many people called it happy. But the question when people call it ask, we say Bendel Insurance supposed to join them. Bendel Insurance go Algeria, go play a few days from now. And who win for that match go qualify to the next round of the competition. And everybody say Bele sweet them based on how Bendel Insurance they play the match. And they say they expect better results for Bendel Insurance for the return leg. From Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, Ifunanya Okweze, TMC TV News.